Hey, what's going on? Joey here, and what are you doing right now? You doing anything? Because guess what? Sunset's in about a half an hour. Skies are like perfect right now. I want to watch the sunset, but not from here. Let's go ahead and run up to the boardwalk, grab the bike, and get some drone footage of the sunset from the boardwalk. Yeah, you want to do it? Let's do it. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Oh, and a special thank you out to my Patreons on patreon.com. It's because of them I get to do fun videos like this on a random day during the week. So let's get up to the boardwalk and watch the sunset. You can see the sun getting low. We got about a half an hour to sunset. And right now we are biking up to the boardwalk because, as you know, it is summertime. So the spots, they get filled up. During the summertime, if you're like me, I just bike everywhere. Whether it's to the post office, whether it's down the street or to Acme, it is so much quicker, faster to get around the island on a bike. I know you guys are probably saying, Joey, use your hands while you're biking. I actually don't use hands while I bike. Yeah, years and years of biking will do that for you. Look at the colors starting to come through. Oh, this is going to be a gorgeous sunset. You're probably saying, where are you going to get this sunset at? Well, I figured I would get it from the boardwalk. It's pretty cool when you get the rides and the sunset in the same shot. So that's where we're heading. Right here on 24th Street. Head over there. Further away from the rides, but close enough to get the action. Plus, I got zoom on my drone, so even though it may look like we're closer, we're really not. But we're gonna go right under the boardwalk, right over here. It's a perfect spot. I can put my bike over here, watch the drone, and here are the rides and the seagulls. Oh, someone just dropped pizza. And you can see how clear the sky is right now. This is gonna be a gorgeous sunset. It's gonna be beautiful. You can see the colors starting to come out. I love twilight time and this time of day, the golden hour, because you can see all the colors still come alive on the piers and the sun. So we got a little bit of time until we're taking off. We're gonna scout around, and we're far enough away to be able to have the pier but not really interfere with anything. Now, there's still a lot of rules you have to do when you're flying down here, even though technically I can fly over people now. Let me move this. You know, you can't fly a half an hour. You can fly up to a half an hour after the sunset. Then after that, you need to get a certain kind of beacon on your drone. My drone itself actually has it already on there. You can see it right here. The second that the sun sets, you'll actually probably see it if we were to go closer to that half an hour mark. You would see it kind of bleeding into the photo, so it kind of actually doesn't really help out. But we're gonna set this up and get it ready to go and connected. We still have about 10 minutes until the sun's going to be perfect, but I figured I would grab some shots anyway. We have 3 batteries. They're good for 32 minutes each, but we're shooting in 4K, so really, that's not a lot on your memory stick. Oh, and one thing that people probably don't talk about is, people always ask us, how do you get those great shots? It's all done with filters. You know, I don't think people actually understand that when you're shooting with a regular drone, you can actually put lenses on here, and this one has a great zoom, but depending on what you're filming, you get a polarized filter, it's perfect. It makes the picture crisper and you're shooting in 4K. Let's go ahead and hang out for a moment and get the drone in the sky. thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons at patreon.com. It's because of them that not only can I purchase the drone and the audio equipment, but I can also spend time getting amazing videos like this. I mean, look how beautiful. If you too want to support our channel, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey. As always, I'll see you on the beach. So I'll see you later. Bye.